uniform during the Second World War. So, as we all know that the role of women has often been neglected. So, these Canadian women, they were constantly trying to prove that they are as good as men, and they were constantly defying the previous notions about women, that how they are inferior to men, or how they are just focused on their beauty, and they are just fit to be they are just fit to be in homes, and not good for they are not good for the outside world. They are good for nothing in the outside world. So when in this documentary, women are shown in the defense services. When Canadian men, they are relieved for combat duty, women sign up in the army, and they become in charge of all the non-combatant duties that had to be fulfilled. So in the defense services, in the army, navy, and air force, women take over all these units. And they firstly undergo a basic training program that every new recruit has to go through. And then they are prepared for military life through this training program. And then once their training has been completed, they are shown to be given their respective duties, the respective jobs that they had enrolled for. So in the navy, women are seen to be serving cipher duties. They are seen to be doing clerical work, coder duties, cook, messengers, elevator operators. In the army, they are shown to be working as secretaries. They are shown to be taking desk duties, like secretaries of clerk, canteen workers, vehicle drivers. And in the air force, they are shown to be serving as drivers, photographers, air photo interpreters, weather observers, and they are shown to be operating many instruments. So this is how this documentary elevates the role of women in the army, when the men were actually on the battlefield fighting for the country, and the women in the background were serving to the best of their capabilities, and trying to their country, and serve their people in their own way. So it's not that women as it was believed earlier, that women, they are just fit to be in their homes, and they are not good for the outside world. It's just they just In this documentary, that there is an attempt to just thwart this misconception that had been about women, about their frailty, and to just tell to everyone that women are as capable as men when it comes to situations like these.